Minimal design proves that fewer shapes can still create powerful visual impact. Today, how to create minimal shape illustrations. Start by launching Adobe Photoshop and creating a new canvas size 2000 by 2000 pixels with a pure white background for a clean, modern feel. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a large, soft beige circle positioned slightly above the center of the canvas. Now, switch to the Rectangle tool and create a thin horizontal bar beneath the circle using a darker brown color, aligning it carefully with the center using the alignment controls. This simple structure already begins to resemble a stylized object or symbol. Next,